Hi there! Today we're going to learn opposite operations, also known as inverse operations, and why we need them in algebra. The opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. The opposite of multiplication is division. In the same way, the opposite of division is multiplication. The opposite of exponent or power is root, and the opposite of root is exponent. Now, why do we need opposite operations in algebra? Simply said, to solve equations. This means getting the value of the unknown number. And to do this, we do all the operations we need to do to leave the unknown number alone on one side of the equal sign. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe, and share.